Hello and welcome to this video. I'm recording because of OVER protocol. Those of you who were mining over some time ago, okay, so they are back, and this time around there's a new version. So once you open your OVER app, you go to update. It will take you to Play Store where you have to update your app, and then after updation you come to this screen. So over here it will ask you to enter. It will ask you for your email, so you enter. If you check down here, it says that for those of you who were mining before, look here, it says if you've collected points or friends card on Over Wallet, please provide a pre-registered email address. So the same email address that you used during that time, just enter it here and then tap on confirm. Okay, so once you are done with that, you will be sent a code in your email. A code is coming into your email. Just go switch to your email and then tap on that code. Once you tap on the code, it brings you here. Just tap I'm not a robot and make sure it takes success. So over here I'm choosing cars. Once it's done, confirm, and then I'll say verify now. Once I'm done with it, verification, then it says verification failed. So at least you try and then make it work. If not, on the over app, let's say I agree all the terms and I tap on agree and continue, it tells me that failed to request to verify my email. So basically this is how it is going now. But once you're able to get verified, you go into it and then you are able to start your new claimings. Okay, so I will keep trying until I'm being able to verify. Yeah, I think I know why, because that was an old link. So this is the email that came. I think there will be a new one, because so this is the one I'm supposed to use. I would have to come here and then say go to email verification. I'll wait for it to load. And then if you are on this platform, you can just follow me for more updates and then tap on verify. If you are watching from my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for more information. There's so much that is upcoming, and yes, make sure you are part of it. If you are new to this mining and you want to mine more other tokens also, let me know in the comment section or just DM me and let's talk. I will give you updates as to which ones are upgoing, and you can benefit also. So after choosing all the steps, I go to verify now.